Well, how'd you say it?
Cake shop.
Patisserie. We have to go there. Yeah, but we're all inclusive. So where are we going? We're crossing. We're going in the patisserie, whatever it's called. And look at there. Oh look, that's like that poo cake I had this morning. Ooh. Hello. 10. I don't want 10. Yeah, we go in there. Hello, Callum. So we decided to stop at this place. What's it called? Entigos Helios. It's ice cream. I got vanilla. And Gillian got
Cream cheese and blueberry.
And Callum, what did you get? I got vanilla. Yeah, and you got pistachio and trail leaf. There we go. Nice. So this is what street? I think it's called Drinking Street or something.
Old Town.
Yeah, so we're in the Old Town. So there you go. The weather today is nicer than yesterday. Ooh, I don't want that. Busy, busy, busy. Wow, this place really is busy. Nice to see Benidorm's coming back to life again. Oh well. Still lots of people wearing masks. And then lots of people that aren't wearing masks. It's quite fun. That's the seafront over there. And then... Oh crikey. Busy, busy. Oh, go this way. Go this way. So, Benidorm. What do we think? Go this way. Cross the road here. This. Oh, gonna get run over. Would you like to go to that beach down there? You have to go right round and then you can get down to it. I think that's where run me over. Trying to run me over. What's that like? There's lots of arty-farty crafty stuff. Up.
3,
There's actually a ramp that you can go up. It's the sea, Michael! If I go up there, then I can go down to the other bit. It's a nice breeze up here. Would you like to sit in the shade, or would you like to sit in the sun? Steps. Ooh, scary. Well, don't think this is very accessible for Michael, but it is acceptable for me. So come with me. Now we're going to go down there. So I'm just going to skip through all of these because I don't know why they're all stopped there. There we go. Been here before, I took pictures, but thought why not come back? We were here about 2.5 years ago, so yeah. This was one of the most Instagrammed photos that you can take here in Benidorm. So while in Benidorm, we're going to have to take a picture. Let's see. Ah, my legs. Crazy. And to the top. Fair bar, but it's a bit closed. Mind you, doesn't open until about 10 o'clock at night. So, shops. Shops. Very rainy day, so we've all decided to go shopping. Shop. Yeah. Shop in Benidorm. By the way, that isn't a proper pharmacy. No, it's not. Ooh! Oh dear. That was like lightning. It's like lightning. Hello? Lightning. Shops. So, what a miserable day. Shopping! Why? Oh, look at that mini market over there. Anyway, let's go see in here.
Si es igual a la mía, no, uno simplemente entrega.
Company bar. Company bar. It's very dark.
Baby, what are we doing?
We're going up there. This is Tapas Bar Street. Ooh. I don't know.
Well, you know them and that's the street there.
Yeah.
They're an alternative, a doubting.
But he's tried that before in Benidorm. It affected his other pills. We're in a bar next to bar 69. Bar 69's that way. So we're just having our drink. Is this the first bar we've been into since we've been here?
No.
Well, I wanted tapas because I usually go down that tapas bar thing. Hey, am I allowed to put you on YouTube?
Me on whatever you want.
Well, I have to ask the question.
What you're saying.
Swearing at me! Callum! This is Tapas Street. It's heaving. It's really good. Tapas. I want some of that. Hey, that'd be cool. What? You're looking petrified. There. Oh, actually, let's go this way. Huh? Callum's getting wet. Callum's getting wet. Are you melting, Callum?
No. Don't bother me.
Fine. Mark it. Yeah, cold in Sheffield. Market. Oh. Market. Hey, I feel like one of them tour guides. Have you not been in this market? Yeah. Oh. Now there's supposed to be an electrical store in here somewhere, I think. No, I can't find one. Electrical. Not me. I'm not. He's wet through. He's been splashing in the water. Splishy splash. A sunny day in Benidorm. We think it's not. Hey, stop it!